looks like a shooting range. That looks like an elevator over there. We have to cross over.
Yeah, but that's a deep pit. Where are we going?
Only one way out.
They're back with their crazy saws!
Is this place?
I don't know, but they look pretty angry.
Yeah, they do. Oh, are you ready for this?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, stupid question.
Damn! Zap isn't sticking to it!
Wait. Don't kill me. I'm just a beetle. I don't even like the wasps.
So why are you on their side?
I'm a mercenary. I fight for anyone who pays me food and shelter.
What food? Huh? Worms? Slugs? Larvae?
No, I'm a vegetarian and gluten-free. I get paid in nectar.
Oh, okay. Well, you know the queen? She has all the nectar.
Huh?
So if you help us take her down, You can have as much nectar as you want.
I can?
Yes, you can have it all.
Oh, yummy. Oh. What are we waiting for? Come on, jump on. Oh, here we go. Nectar!
Make it jump, Cody!
I'm trying!
Hey, Beetle! Slow down! Cody, slow him down!
I can't! And stop backseat driving!
Ugh! More down wasps!
Shoot them! Kill them, eh?
Stop backseat shooting!
Oh, nectar! Yummy! Nectar?
No, definitely not!
Oh!
Hey, you better not get us killed if you want that nectar!
Nectar!
No! Still no! Shoot them! Nice one, May! Hey, Beetle! We're running out of tree!
I got this! I believe!
Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on!
Intruders! How dare you challenge the Queen?
Listen, we know you're not the real queen.
Yeah, you're a robot!
Liars! I'm the Supreme Wasp Queen! Exactly! Attack! I'll squash you like a bug! Ha! Your useless sap tickles!
Oh, listen to her! We're slowly chipping away!
Smash them, my soldiers! Oh! That's supposed to hurt! Perhaps you can help me out! High five! Run, you pests!
Can't survive that! Get to the other side!
You can't run for long, intruders! Let them run! How annoying! Soldiers defend me! Slash them up!
Darn! The sap isn't sticking!
Looks like Squirrel Tech isn't foolproof.
Stupid fleas! Call in the airstrike! Bombs away!
Spread out!
Shield, swords, and now this?
Hands up!
What? Not be hazelnut tech? Slice them up! Not so fast, little dolls! Simple squirrels don't understand my power. Slice them up! Slice them up! Back for more sticks! Finish them off already! I'll take you back to the girls and slice them up! We've just got a tree, the house is there. My soldiers gladly die. Wasps! Cutting off! Snip, snip! It won't hurt a bit! Your hazelnut technology is no match And I will...
What the? Are you... Oh, look, it's a little bumblebee.
Oh, she's actually really furry and sweet.
Yeah.
No, no, no! I am the Wasp Queen!
No. I told you. See, it's a robot.
It's a stupid bumblebee!
No! Wait! Don't hurt me!
Look, it's Nectar! She's kept nectar for us!
Oh, don't take my nectar!
Let's kill them all!
Hey!
Wait!
Help me do something!
Cody! Shoot the nectar tank!
Okay.
Let's see if this stings!
Oh, that hurt.
Are you okay?
I have nothing to live for now. I'm no longer a Wasp Queen. What's the point if you can't be special?
But you are special. You are one of the noblest pollinators in nature.
I am?
Yeah, of course. Bees pollinate crops that feed 90% of the human population. Without you guys, well, humans would just die.
He's right.
Really? So I am special?
No! You're a traitor! And you two, why haven't you killed the traitor?
She helped save us.
Yeah, I'm special.
Yeah, and all the wasps have gone. I mean, we don't need to kill her, do we? Huh?
Oh, so you're on the same team now? Shoot them all!
Hey, North!
Good luck.
Hey! Take us with you!
Hey! We just saved your furry ass!
Come on, Cody! Over here!
Leave that...
You drive!
What? Hey, this is a plane! It's not a station wagon!
Just fly!
Where's the gas?
Hold your fire! Man the cannons! I want air coverage! Code nuts! Hunt them down! Go, go, go!
it!
More planes behind us! Evasive maneuvers!
Sharpshoot, May!
Yeah.
Whoa! This is escalating quickly!
Hey!
Time to say goodbye, little doll. Can't wait to smash your wooden face.
I can't wait to kick your furry ass!
Hey! Hey, how's it going up there?
Cody, steer the plane!
Okay, just take his ass!
Just keep flying! I've got this!
Take it easy, man!
Take one last!
Oh, you okay up there, May?
Yep.
Oh, no, the wheel! Oh!
Hold on, Cody!
I'm trying! Oh, I'm losing my grip!
I'm here!
Ah. Oh! Oh! That was close!
You're welcome!
Yeah, thanks, Meg. Hey, Meg, that fight, that was epic!
Yeah. Thanks, Cody.
Yeah, well, you know, on to Rose's room.
Yep. I'm on!
You think the squirrels will be mad about the plane?
Well, they shouldn't have stolen from us in the first place.
I'll never look at a squirrel the same way again.
Hey! I'm on!
Hey, there's the shed! Oh, and our house!
Aim for Rose's room! The window's open!
Yoo-hoo! Here we go!
Hey!
Whoa!
Mummy, look who I found, Moon Baboon. Remember him? Oh. Do you have that headache again? Okay. I won't bother you. But when you feel better, maybe we can play with Moon Baboon again. And all the other space toys you got for me. We haven't played with them in a long time. Oh, I talked to Dad. I think he wants you two to become friends again. Just wanted you to know.
That is the last time I'm flying by the seat of your pants.
Oh, haha, you're a real comedian, you know that?
Thank you.
Look, there she is.
Oh, I miss her. Do you think she's okay?
Well, she looks fine. I mean, she's playing like nothing happened.
Thank goodness. Let's go and talk to her.
Yeah, but we should be careful. We don't want to scare her.
Are you saying I'm too harsh with her?
No, I meant she might get scared when she sees us. I mean, look at us. We've turned into a couple of dolls, remember?
Of course I remember.
Are you really ready to talk to Rose?
Why not? She's our daughter.
Well, can you talk to her without fighting each other?
Of course we can.
Rose isn't the problem. He is.
She is. What? You see, I don't think you are ready.
Wait, is he trying to stop us?
I think that he is. And are we gonna let him? No!
Wait. What if we can't make Rose cry?
What? We have to, or we'll be stuck like this forever.
But she hardly ever cries.
Yeah, I know. Look, we'll figure something out, okay? We really need those tears. And the bigger, the better.
Okay.
Oh, there's a lot of pillows.
Yeah, it's a pillow fort. Rose and I made it. It's messy, though.
Yeah, well, you haven't played here lately.
You must have.
Oh, no, I'm not allowed here. Rose calls it mommy space.
Looking forward to blowing you up.
Your first hit's on me!
You won't hit a thing! Oh, rubbish!
The harder the battle.
The sweeter the victory.
There are more important things in life than winning. Oh, I love stars.
Right, light show.
Lights out.
Look! Rose is on the other side. The gate is blocked by something.
Yeah, it is. By some kind of force.
Oh, look! A video game.
Maybe they're connected.
Enter password.
Oh, wordplay. Lovely. Ah, it's got something to do with hacking.
You know, I thought hacking would be way more complicated than this.
It's just a game, Cody.
Is this still the game?
No, but don't let it win.
Oh, what's happening?
I don't know, but I don't like it.
Where are we?
How do you know my name, traitor?
Because I bought you in the Space Museum.
Liar! Rose handpicked me at the Space Museum and commissioned me for a special mission. I am the only one who can protect Rose from the dark side of the universe.
Well, we're also assigned to protect Rose. As her parents, we...
Stop lying! Your mission is to make her cry!
We really need those tears. The bigger the better.
What evil planet are you from?
No. There's been a misunderstanding. See, we just need to get a few tears from Rose to...
You won't squeeze a single teardrop from Rose! You'll be stuck here forever!
Forever? Did he just say forever? Oh my God, I'm having a panic attack. What should we do? In space, no one can hear you scream.
Oh, for goodness sake, Cody. Don't be stupid. We're not in space.
What? Just where are we?
Listen, Rose and I have played with her space toys so many times. I just need to find them. Oh, here they are.
Ah.
Hey, Cody, try this on.
Oh, snug.
Wow, it works.
What are you doing?
Cosmic inflation. The inflation theory behind the Big Bang.
Just stop it. Just turn it off.
What? Amazing. Nate, just turn me back to normal. Do you want to get out of here or not? Then we need to use cosmic inflation. And... space boots. Defying the laws of gravity. Woo!
How comes you get all the cool gadgets?
Because I'm cooler than you, Cody. Let's find a way out of here.
Next time, can you not buy Rose a crazy space monkey, please?
Well, she was the one who picked him out.
Yeah, and you paid for him. It was
He was
terrifying.
just protective. Like you would be if someone threatened to hurt Rose.
Yeah, well, we're not...
Hurting Rose. I mean, we just need her tears so we can have her parents back.
Agreed. Now let's move on.
Please don't drop it.
Yeah.
That thing's tall.
That must be Moon Baboon's communications tower. There's a control room at the very top. If we can get up there, I think we can make it out of here.
To infinity!
Whoa, what's going on?
It looks like some kind of force field. Let's ride it.
But we don't know where it goes.
Maybe it takes us out of here. Come on.
I can't stop spinning!
I see you escape from your cage, traitors! Mark my words, son! You won't make it out alive!
He really needs to take a chill pill.
Ignore him. Look at those portals. I think we can use them. Whew, that was intense.
Oh! How's it hanging?
Takes some getting used to, but I'm all right.
Okay, I have it.
Okay, I have an idea. Next time, we avoid the lasers.
Wow, what an idea. Ah, first again.
Just barely.
These space boots are great! Woohoo!
Oh! That might have been too
I'd
much.
say so, yes.
Wait, no! My world's greatest dad mug!
Oh, relax. Rose can buy you another one. Wow, okay. Wait, which way is up?
You're all right, May. Look, I'm up here. I mean, down here. Up. Oh, crap.
Ah, the pressure is incredible! One portal down.
I'm not sure this was a good idea! Oh my god. Now that was one hell of a ride.
See any way to get me up there?
Working on it. Give me a minute.
We're getting the hang of this.
Pull now.
All right. Just one portal left.
Brilliant.
Hey, Meg? Hop on top of the space.
You got it. I love this Tesla plasma.
Well, keep on running, May!
Woo! It's tingly.
All right. Now, how the heck do I get up there?
Oh, shoot!
Rudy. That should be all of them, right?
I think so. Good teamwork.
So long, big brother.
Oh, here we go again.
Oh, I really like being weightless. It's like being in real space. This is fun.
This is not my idea of fun.
Oh, so now we even have to argue about what's fun.
I'm nauseous, okay?
Oh.
Throwing up is not fun.
Hey, hey, hey! Stop fighting, you two! Focus on the mission!
We are focusing. We're just trying to find a way out of this damn place.
You will only do that if you collaborate.
Yeah. Collaboration. Blah, 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 blah.
Oh, blah, 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 huh?
Yeah. Blah, 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 ha.
Okay. Just don't forget, yeah?
Blah, blah.
Oh, shut up, you two!
Collaboration!
Another set of portals.
All right, let's get to it.
You don't know when to quit, do you, Trace?